Hey guys, sorry I was out of town. Doesn't mean I shouldn't be doing this, so I do apologize. It was very slow week at the open. So if you had just stayed in pre-market and took those gains, you were probably pretty good. When open market came, there was just not enough volume to push the bulls up or any buyers up, except a couple stocks, one meme stock in case in point, and there was another one good on news actually. But it was cost, so I will take a quick look on that. Sorry again, I will do better, so I do apologize. I'm going to go ahead and pull up Webull, see if we can get costs moving around. And I grabbed some only after other people noticed it. I was really just trying to take off and enjoy my family and time. So we're going to go ahead and probably look at costs on the 5. Let's look at the 1 hour. That'd probably be the easiest way. I'm going to move myself over right here. Here was a big cost, 640 run up earlier, but then it went bonkers. So right here on the 1 hour. So if you'd have caught on the second or the third, you'd have been good. So basically on the 1 hour, if you wanted to look at a chart, this is how some people look at a swing trade. You would basically just see the exact same motion, and that's also the same thing you probably should have looked for. So in pre, it had a big bump. I know I got that trade because it did break a line here, hit an alert I had, and the alert was basically over this high right here. This one right here, once it broke that. So could have got that trade pretty easy, and it was a dollar move. But the next day, definitely some action here. I got probably some of this move only right here, and I walked around, and later on found out it ran up. And then basically, they must have some zigzags. I did do a 5-minute on that, so let me go back and check that out. It should be easy to see some charts. Yeah, right here. We'll just squeeze it in. Sorry about that delay on that squeeze in. It's going to take a couple seconds. Yeah, so I missed a lot of the one we're about to show you. I think it's over here to the left. Yeah, so I think I was doing this thing for another person during a lesson. Basically right here, I think one of our guys in our room, Kevin, got a lot of this move right here. He was watching it nice and careful and got a nice breakout right over this area. I think he said, hey, if it breaks 14, and then I did hear a halt. So the halt usually is this one if it's this flat, and I did get some of this move right here. That's why you see my alerts here. I was expecting it for it to break again. I did get another 40-cent move here. But I didn't get any of these moves, and it's all good because if you start chasing and you don't have a tight stop loss or it's too tight, you can get popped out of your stop loss and brought up. But basically here's the stock just breaking down again and running after hours again. And what you're going to notice right here is you're going to notice it's almost the same drawing. Also, I want to show you this. Let me do a polyline for you. I'm just showing you wide, and then it's getting tighter. So I want you to start learning compression. This is basically building up for some maneuver. Here's one maneuver, another mover, and then it breaks down, obviously when it's overbought. So this is the move I got over VWAP as well. I think I was on some mountain or something like that, and I click this. I will show you the 2 target trade I got on this one right here. I didn't trade that many shares. It was after hours, not the best day of the week. But right here, here's an easy target 2 run, but look, when it breaks down, it breaks down. But that was the key level. If you kept looking at this level, this is when it really started going up every time. And then yes, the next morning, I didn't trade Friday at all. I was walking on a beautiful waterfall and a river and falling in a couple times, all those cool things. But right here, it's compressing again. It's getting wider and then tighter, and then it did do a pop out. But look, if you're caught on the pullback, it is nasty. You're talking in 5 minutes, you can lose $4 a share. And then hopefully this level at the 1460, yeah, the 1460 was never broke because you can see that clear level right here all the way across, not being broken again. So that was the level from the morning, and it kind of held tight during the day. There was a test out and then a breakout here, and then it really never broke that area. So chart up a little bit. This is also the same area right here. If I was looking at targets, I would sit here and do my target 2 here, and that would be my set of fibs for this move. So I'm going to actually move my fibs right here, and that would tell my target 2 for the next move. So very good stuff. Hope y'all had a great week. We'll be here full time this week, so I do apologize for that, but y'all have a great Sunday.